You know what it feels like? It feels like, you know, when you get water in your nose, swimming and stuff?
Yeah.
It burns? That's what it feels like right here.
The hell?
Yeah, it's fucking weird. Fucking weird.
Your nose would be crooked like my glasses.
Yeah, but they were like this, bro. Welcome back to CNR Reviews. E-Rock and Coltrane here.
What's up?
We got our battle box.
Final battle box.
Yep,
I
final
canceled
battle
my
box.
subscription to it.
Yep. This is gonna be the last one we open.
I'm tired of them getting shit from China.
Tied, okay? Tied.
Cutting toward myself, yeah.
God.
The hell? The seals.
Battle box number Mission
66.
Route 66.
66.
All right, we got some good stuff in here.
Like a something called Simple Strap.
Fuck yeah, it is.
God damn. Says the original all-purpose rubble
Rubble?
tie down.
Rubber. You're gonna wrap some rubble in it?
We gonna pull some rubble off of some people, okay? In Lebanon.
Oh, Jesus.
This thing looked like a fire starter and a whistle.
A whistle?
This.
Or popsicle cities.
Whatever, dude.
That kind of whistle?
Yes, that kind of whistle. It's just a lot louder. Colby valve, emergency tire valve.
Fuck yeah, it is.
You're gonna keep saying that? You didn't say it on the thing here.
I was trying to whistle.
Then we got an M250 X Drive.
Your damn glasses all crooked. What is it now?
A Hex Drive toolkit.
That don't look like a fucking hex drive toolkit, bro.
Well, we'll take it out, damn it.
Fuck yeah, we will.
And then this here, I don't know what this is. Just like some sort of sack or some shit.
It's a satchel.
It's not a satchel, damn it. It's a purse. Okay.
It's a purse, okay? Jesus.
Alright, so
Get
this
it
is
right.
the only tool-free solution for replacing tire valve stems on location in 1 minute.
So, like, I guess if you
So, like, why the
go
hell would you need
off-roading,
this?
you know what I think? I think it's like off-roading kind of stuff. Your tire valves break easier, or more often.
Yes, I've never heard of tire valves breaking.
Yeah, I guess it must be. But we never really
Hell,
did
if it works, it's
off-roading
okay.
yet. We will though.
Yeah.
Can I try the whistle?
Yeah.
God
Jesus.
damn, I
Shit
barely
is
blew
super
on that
loud,
thing, bro. Look.
Holy shit.
Oh,
God damn, my ears are ringing,
Shit.
boy. Fire starter works pretty good. Just gonna light this damn blanket right up.
Man, that thing don't work at all.
Give me it.
Let me get out of
Suck.
here, bitch.
He really does not know how to use it.
What I do is scrape the damn plastic. Hold on.
You seriously can't get it to work? Don't go at such an angle. This freaking guy. What the hell?
Maybe you have to blow the whistle while you light it.
That would be impossible.
What? God damn it. Why won't it fucking spark, bro? For real. Oh. Okay. Oh, shit.
Come on, dude.
I wasn't pushing hard enough?
No. Learn how to use it. You can probably lace some like a lanyard or something through those.
Yeah, that's probably what it's for.
Those.
Those.
You can probably lace a lanyard or something
You
through
could
those.
probably cut a piece of this rubble strap off
Rubble strap.
and use it.
True. That's the Southern Survival Fire Starter. Cool.
Got it.
That thing says it's free. I paid for the box, so it ain't free. Fuck me.
Ain't nothing in life.
Colby
for
valve,
free.
made in USA, $19.
Now this stuff's so sticky. How you supposed to get this damn wrapper off?
Just cut it. Directions for youth. Well, we don't care about them. Oh, whoa, look.
Dude, that's really fucking grippy, bro.
Yeah,
Check
it's
this
like
out.
grip tape.
Dude, that is strong. I know, right?
That's stretchy as hell, too.
Dude, I'm gonna use this in my workout.
That's a simple strap. That says $16.
Okay. $16
I don't
volume.
even feel like reading this. This is like damn 8
Don't
paragraphs.
read it.
I ain't reading nothing. Here's the hex drive. It comes with a belt clip thing here, belt loop, whatever you call it. And then there's a magnet on the back. You can probably like stick it to a wall or something. So you just push it out. This is like the sheath for it. You got all your little hex heads in there, or, well, really screwdriver heads.
Yeah, all the different fittings,
And
tool
this,
fittings.
Comes out, just sticks in that little hole there
No,
for storage.
right there. There you
Then
go.
it goes in there. Oh, I know that.
Oh,
That's not what I was saying.
gotcha.
Saying that's where it's stored.
Mm-hmm.
You just stick it in there, and then
That's pretty cool.
To get these out, you just push
All
this
right,
on the,
let's see what this that's what's about.
push it from the bottom, from underneath.
Boom! Yeah.
Get
Okay.
that shit out of here.
This is this is real leather, bro.
Is it?
I think so.
I think you're lying.
No, that's fucking real leather, bro. Unless they sprayed some leather smeller on it.
Leather smeller.
Some leather snipper stuff.
To be
Okay?
leather scent.
That's what I
Smeller.
meant.
Hey, but you know what?
Leather scent, huh?
Who's this made at? Oh wow, made in China.
Fucking China, huh? Stop that shit. Now look.
And it says it has a $50 value. There's no way.
What?
Look,
What does?
this fucking thing.
This is $50.
That's what it says in the booklet. $49.95.
Get out, bro.
Other way.
Nobody is spending $50 on that.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I would not spend no $50 on that shit.
And if it's made in China, these fucking fittings are gonna strip in like fucking 2 seconds, bro. It's got a picture of a buffalo on it, burned into it.
That ain't a buffalo.
Look, it says this is a Lord and Field, which is a good brand actually.
Oh, is it?
Bushcraft Spice Wallet, spicy wallet.
Is it spicy?
So-
Lick it.
It's got a it probably is. It's got a belt clip
Bushcraft Spice Wallet.
that is like 4-way,
Oh, that's
so you could hook it this way or this way with one of the piece of this strappy strap over here.
Nobody's using that rubber strap for a damn.
Look, you
lanyards
could
and
use
belts
it as
and
a
shit.
belt. In emergency, you could use it as a tourniquet,
You can use it for a lot of stuff.
a belt, a rubble strap.
Rubble strap.
All right, so this is a spice rack. I mean a spice belt or
Wallet.
spice wallet. Okay,
Spice satchel.
satchel, spice purse.
It's a pass.
Okay, so it looks like it's got.
4.
I mean, it doesn't look like it.
Majiggers.
It does have 4.
It's got 4 majiggers in it.
Vials for all your mixture of
For your
chemicals
blood
there.
samples.
Blood samples and for the zombie virus.
Yeah.
They're real glass.
Yep.
Don't drop them now. But I guess spice is if you're out. It's got cork tops. Fuck yeah, it does.
For preservation.
Preservation. But you put your spices in there, and then you can season your meat on the grill.
Yeah. You
On
know
the
what
fire.
I'm putting
Over
in
the
there?
fire.
What I'm putting in there?
This looks like what?
I don't know.
I'm putting
Mesquite.
alcohol in this bitch.
Mesquite dry rub.
Y'all have fun with that. That's gonna be 4. Shit. That's 4 good sized shots of liquor right there. Okay, that's what I'm carrying around in there. Out in the field.
Well, this
Shoot-
is that's
shoot something.
that's a $30 value.
And check this out too, by the way. This thing has a really nice heavy duty.
What would that be?
Strap.
For? Like for your wrist or something?
No.
No, that's to
For,
hang on like your
belt loop
backpack.
or backpack.
Oh, that's your belt loop.
Yeah, but if you don't want to put it through your belt, you just want to hang it.
You hang it on a backpack.
If you want to hang it
'cause
on like
listen,
the side right here,
When you go out surviving or something,
surviving the
camping or some shit, you always bring a bag with you. I don't think I've ever seen someone without a bag.
Yeah, if you have a choice, you better have a fucking
Yeah.
bag. Shit, fuck you talking.
That goes on the bag.
Yes.
Don't put that on your belt.
You could do it.
Yes, you can physically do it.
I'm saying,
But nobody wants that shit swinging around.
why not? Maybe they do.
Because
Maybe it,
That
they
wouldn't
think it
even-
looks
that would
cool,
feel
bro.
weird.
You know what I want to do? You know
When
what
I hold up the hand, that means shut up.
We got a few handy items here. Well, this thing,
he broke it.
it already fell apart, okay? It's a Chinese piece of shit, okay? Fucking China.
Chinese,
And so is this.
Chinese.
Fucking A.
Don't know.
No, Lordenfield's got to be American. And this one is definitely American.
Because it says it.
So this is Colby. Is that the...
Colby valve, yeah.
Yeah, Colby Valve in Springdale, Arizona. Proudly made in the USA. That's what we're sticking with.
Yep,
But
definitely.
anyway, it was interesting for sure that this is worth supposedly $50.
Yeah, I don't understand.
This thing is what I guess it was free.
It said free, but
That's why, okay, because that shit gonna fall out. This is going with me on a hiking trip with 4 shots
ain't
of
hiking.
liquor. The strap's cool.
tire valve is just.
If we don't have off-road vehicles, but if you do, like, you know,
Jeep.
well, like 4-wheelers and stuff, they
Jeep.
probably blow those out a lot.
Oh, that's true.
You know, hitting the fucking
Rock or something. Like a big dip.
You know, you get a flat tire, you'd be like, bring me a new valve, please. We appreciate you guys watching.
Yep.
And we enjoyed making fun of this box.
Yep.
We're really just having fun. I mean, we like BattleBox. We like what they stand for and what they do. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Yep.